Introduction to Pre-Arrival Web Check-in Service offered by Softinn PMS. Imagine you have a group tour that is going to check into your hotel. With this pre-arrival web check-in service, you could invite the tour guide to, first, do self-service pre-arrival web check-in, second, assign their guests to the right room as they want, third, submit their guest travel documents online prior to arrival. After guests perform the pre-arrival web check-in steps, you could verify their documents and add the guest to the room in Softinn PMS. Check out this video to get an overview idea about pre-arrival web check-in service in Softinn PMS. Overview on pre-arrival web check-in setup in PMS. Log into Softinn PMS. You need to select the correct property. Click on the Others tab. Click on Setup. Click on Design. Click on Pre-Arrival Check-in. This is the Reservation Pre-Arrival Check-in Service Setup page. On this page, the hotel could set up the max number of hours you allow your guests to do pre-arrival web check-in prior to their check-in date, and the required travel documents to be submitted by your guest on the web check-in process. Once done, click on the Save Changes button. Note, by default, only lodge owner has the access to update the pre-arrival check-in setup. Go ahead to grant this access to your hotel staff, if needed. Go to the PMS section. Then go to Pre-Arrival Check-in Design and tick to grant access. You can either tick View or Edit or both. Once done, click on the Save Changes button. How to initiate pre-arrival web check-in email invitation to your guest. Before guests could perform the pre-arrival web check-in process, hotel needs to send the pre-arrival web check-in email to the guest first. To send the email to the guest, click on the Reservation tab. You could select the reservation. In this case, the reservation is for Happy Tour and Travel. Click on the mail icon to send the email to this guest. Note, make sure you have the email address for Happy Tour and Travel in guest details. Click on the Yes, Send It button to send the link of reservation pre-arrival web check-in to the guest. Your guest will receive an email to perform the pre-arrival web check-in process. An overview on how guests perform pre-arrival web check-in process. From the pre-arrival web check-in email, your guest would need to click on the URL link in the email to do pre-arrival web check-in. This is the pre-arrival web check-in service page your guest would see. To start the web check-in, your guest would need to click on the Start Check-in button. The guest would need to choose the check-in date of his reservation. Then insert the last 6 digits of their reservation code. The guest would need to verify all the details. Once done, click on the Proceed button. You need to insert the room guest's name and assign the room type to the guest. And attach the travel documents of their room guest. You will need to verify the details and documents and click on the Confirm and Submit button once confirmed. You have successfully completed the pre-arrival web check-in. An overview on how hotels verify pre-arrival check-ins documents and update guest reservations in PMS. After your guest has completed the pre-arrival web check-in process, you could proceed to verify their travel documents and information in PMS. Click on the Reservation tab. Click on Pre-Arrival Check-ins. This is the Reservation Pre-Arrival Check-in page. This is the page where hotel front desk officer performs verification on the pre-arrival check-ins documents submitted by your guest. Click on the eye icon to view the check-in details. On this page, you would see the person who submitted the documents for this reservation. You would also see the room guest name and the travel documents, as well as which room the guest was assigned to stay. Click on the photo icon to view each of the documents that have been attached. You can leave remarks if needed. Once you have verified all of the documents, click on the Save and Verify button. The green tick icon shows that you have verified all the documents. Let's go back to the reservation page. You need to go to the reservation for Happy Tour and Travel and hover your mouse on the green message icon. You could view the remarks that you have inserted earlier. Note, by default, only lodge owner has the access to verify the pre-arrival check-ins documents verification page. Go ahead to grant this access to your hotel staff, if needed. Go to the PMS section. On the reservation, tick on Manage Pre-Arrival Check-ins to grant the access. Click on the Save Changes button. Proudly brought to you the pre-arrival web check-in service by Softinn, especially for your group tour reservations. Start using it today.
Thank you for watching our video. My name is Khan. He's a technical intern at marketing department. My role is help Softinn to update and maintain their official website. So if you like our video, remember to like and share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.